Sawadika, welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I'm at Ban Hat Yao, Krabi, Thailand. This morning I joined the kayak tour with the Verve. It was wonderful. And right now they decided to cook me late lunch. And the menu is gonna be spicy soup with fish. So let's take a look at the ingredients. Sea bass, lamb, fish sauce, chili, sugar, spring onion, coriander. First thing, you're gonna put the fish into the soup. And right now we wait for the fish to be cooked a little bit. And if you notice in the soup, there's already lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, and garcinia. So now Ma is preparing the vegetable. And the first thing is the spring onion. And next one is the coriander. The same thing, just slice them into 1 inch long. And 4 to 5 or 6 chilies. Just chop them into small pieces, mix them together. Once the fish is ready, we can also throw this vegetable into the soup. So this lamb is actually from her own garden. In the introduction, I talked about Garcinia in the soup. The taste of Garcinia is like tangerine or the orange. And this one, we use only the grind of it. Before using it, they dry it first. And it's gonna give the taste of sourness and a little bit of sweetness. I believe that you can find it in the Asian store in your area. Otherwise, just skip it and just use lime and tamarind in your soup instead. อีกนิดนึง อีกนาทีเดียวค่ะ I like that they use cold pot. It smells so good right now. The fish is ready, so we just put the vegetable that we have prepared into the soup. ใส่เลยนะ I'm gonna put the lime juice in there a little bit. 2 tablespoons. Okay. So now the soup is ready. Next is just to taste it. It has fish eggs too. So good. So now we get the fish soup and you see how we cook it. So you can try to cook this at home. Find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. Share some comments when you're cooking this dish. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For today, have a spicy day. Bye bye.